Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop the owl.
What's that on the road? The parts to a magnetic construction set. The ant wants to pick up the triangle. Oh, it's too heavy. His friends are already on their way to help. The triangle's quite light, but the magnet's holding it down. Pull harder. Oh! Peck the woodpecker wants to play with the construction set too. Peck's made some glasses out of the squares. Here comes Hop the owl.
Hello, Peck. What's this thing? They're magnets!
There are lots of them.
Want to take them home?
That's a great idea.
Aww.
We can put the magnets in the back of your truck. Or in the motorcycle. There really are lots of different shapes and parts. There's a triangle, a hexagon, a diamond, a square, a trapezium, and a circle in a square. Is that all of them? Those are wheels for the car. Hop's made some roller skates out of them. Oh, you're not hurt, are you, Hop? Let's play something safer. The birds have come back home to build the car with the parts. Let's lay out all the parts on the table. And the wheels on the table, too.
Let's put it together! Oh.
The base is ready. Let's add some squares to it. What parts are these? Hexagons and diamonds. Some squares again. It's a good thing the birds have so many parts. What sort of vehicle have we made?
It's a tractor! Let's go!
That tractor's going very fast. Peck got his tow rope with magnet from the truck. What a great idea! Slowly now, Peck. Oh, it crashed!
Want to build something else?
The base is going to have 6 wheels. What are our birds building? A pipe? Ah! The birds are building a train!
Attention! The train is departing! Passengers should take their seats.
The ants are running toward the train! Have a safe journey now!
Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the Owl's tidying up. He's clearing his toys off the floor.
Hello!
Where can you park the cars? It won't fit there. Knock, knock.
Oh. Who's there?
Get up, Hop Hop. Peck Peck's come to see you. He's got a surprise for you.
Oh!
Those are keys, but the little woodpecker doesn't know what to do with them.
The key doesn't work in this door. Oh, it doesn't work in this one either.
Don't get upset, Peck Peck. No, the keys don't work on birds. Go and look for the right door. Peck Peck, that's a great idea. You can look for the door outside.
Oh! Hey, wait a second.
The ants are in a real rush. Catch up to them, little birds. Are those your keys, Ant? No.
A snail.
Catching up to a snail is much easier. I think it's gotten scared, so it's hidden in its home. I don't think that home needs any keys. Peck Peck, don't throw away your toy. You're definitely going to find the right doors.
Oh!
Look at that little house. Its doors are of 3 different colors. Shall we try and open them? Is it not working? The keys are different. We've got to pick the right one. Hop Hop, take a look.
A square? A star?
And what's that?
A triangle!
Hooray! The red door is open.
And the green one.
Peck Peck wants to open a door too. There we go.
The house is empty.
Is it heavy, Peck Peck? Look, Hop Hop's brought a wheelbarrow.
Up it goes.
I wonder what our little birds are up to. They want to put the snail in the house. But the snail doesn't want to live there. It's got its own home. Maybe we should invite the ants? Even if they don't fancy popping inside. It's a ladybug.
Huh?
Oh, it's flown away. Don't get upset, little birds. Let's have a think now. What can you do with your new toy? Bump.
Oh.
The cars rolled right up to the house.
Ha!
Let's open the green door. And we'll park the green car inside. That's the red car. Peck Peck's opening the red door for it. The third car is light blue. It's going into the house too.
Hooray! Nice and clean.
Well done, little birds. Now the cars have their own
Garage. Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! the owl.
Hop Hop the owl's wearing a helmet. He's taking a big red cube somewhere. Ah, he's doing some building today.
Hello!
Hello there, little builder. Are you building a house with those cubes? Maybe it's a repair shop. Peck Peck the woodpeckers brought along a broken car. Hop Hop the owl will get it fixed. Look, the car's missing a wheel. What can he do? Hop Hop's found a wheel in his repair shop. Let's put it where it belongs.
All done!
Peck Peck's fixed a rope to the car. Let's go!
Yeah!
The car's off for a stroll.
Huh?
What a beautiful butterfly! And there's a ladybug. It's flying around. It's landed on Hop Hop's head. Little birds, look! The ladybug's your passenger. She's crawled through one of the holes. Ladybug, it's time for you to leave. Open the door, little owl. Goodbye. I wonder where the ladybug's off to. Oh, look! It's found some of the parts for the toy car. Different colored shapes to put in the holes. Shall we play together? Let's put the shapes in the car. The star, the circle, the square. We did it! What's this? The ants have got hold of something again. That's our triangle, ants. We should put that in the car, too. Peck Peck, you have a go. No, you need to put it in the triangle-shaped hole. Yes, that's the one. Well done. Oh, wow. Our owl's got a wheelbarrow. What are you up to, Hop Hop? Are you going to build something?
Unloading!
The little birds have built a slide for the car.
3, 2, 1. Let her down.
That went far. Oh, and there are the shapes. You can play again.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Hop Hop the owl. There's a new toy in front of our owl's house. It's a dump truck. Hop Hop, Peck Peck, do you want to play? Oh, wow! The body can lift up.
It's a dump truck.
Where's he going? He wants to park the truck. Give it a push, Hop Hop.
3, 2, 1.
It made it! It's your turn, Peck Peck.
Peck, peck, peck.
Our woodpecker's still little and only knows how to count in pecks.
Woohoo!
Peck Peck's jumped onto the back of the dump truck like it's a bus. The bus is taking Peck Peck home. Oh, it's hard to drive it up the ramp. Peck Peck, where are you going? Ah, you found a tow rope with a magnet. What a brilliant idea! The dump truck just happens to have a place for a magnet. Use the magnet to fasten the rope. Pulling the truck along with a magnet is much easier. Hop Hop's done it! The dump truck's right at the top now.
3, 2, 1.
Now that's fast! Now it's our woodpecker's turn to push the truck down.
Delivery!
Let's pull the rope and bring the dump truck back up.
Hey! Where are you going?
Surprise! Peck Peck's loading the dump truck with parts for another toy.
Duck! Duck! Duck, duck!
3, 2, 1. The dump trucks come to a stop. Time to unload it. There's a bucket. You can fix that to a toy tractor. And there's another bucket. And there's the tractor. Let's fix one bucket to the front and the other bucket to the back. All done.
Whoa!
Little birds, how many toys does that make? You can use the tractor and dump truck to pick up dry branches from the ground. Just like that. Let's keep working. Let's help the ants gather branches for their anthill. That big bucket will have no problem getting the job done.
Load it all up!
The tractor's picking up the branches and loading them into the dump truck. And the dump truck's taking the load to the anthill. a full load. Let's go! Ants, look how many branches there are. You can get back to building again.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. An ice cream cart is parked by Hop Hop's house. The ants are trying to steal the ice cream from it. The birds don't like this. They want to play with their toy themselves. Hop Hop, what kind of ice cream do you have?
Strawberry. Banana.
Oh, Peck knocked over the cart. That's not a car, it is a cart. Although a cart also has wheels.
1, 2. 3, 4.
The birds are having lots of fun. The cart rolls around like they're cars, and they can push it to give each other rides. Forward! Let's roll!
Stop, Peck.
You can't go up like that. Bam! Are you okay, Peck? Hop Hop will fix the cart now. Which one is the wheel? Let's look at the wheels still on the cart. These ones.
Yes!
Catch the wheel, Peck. Hup! Couldn't do it. Peck wasn't strong enough. A hammer! Good one, Hop Hop.
Boom! And done!
Great job, birds! Now we can play ice cream sellers. Let's set everything up in place. Ice cream in cups. Lollipops. And toy popsicles. An umbrella for the sun overhead so the ice cream doesn't melt. Ice cream salesman Hop Hop goes to work. And Peck with him. Catch up.
Ice cream! Lollipops! Popsicles!
Ants, you want popsicles? They don't. Peck is offering ice cream to a ladybug. She doesn't want it. The birds decided to become their own customers. They pretend to eat toy ice cream. Hop, where are you off to? The little owl got real ice cream from the refrigerator. Peck, this is for you. Will we share with the ants?
Ice cream for everyone!
Good job, Hop Hop! Enjoy, birds!
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hello, Peck Peck the woodpecker. Peck Peck is playing at being a firefighter. He's rushing to answer a call. He needs to put out a fire.
Please help me! Please help me! Hello?
Hello! Firefighter Peck Peck has arrived to help. Hooray! The little birds have put out the fire. What an interesting fire engine. It's got wheels, but no headlights. A compartment for tools, but where's the hose? You can fix parts to this fire engine using magnets. Now Hop Hop is going to look for them. It looks like he's found something. And another thing.
Hose!
Hop Hop is fixing on the hose. And that's the fire engine's ladder. Ants, that's not your ladder.
Huh?
Peck Peck has scared the ants and they've run away. Haha! And here are the headlights. The headlights are in place. And the ladder, too. And the mirrors. The fire engine is ready. Where's the fire?
Fire! Fire!
Peck Peck, call the fire engine.
Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo.
Firefighter Peck Peck takes the hose and puts out the fire. You've put it out! Great work! But where has Hop Hop gone? Hop Hop has decided to become a firefighter too. He's going to put out the fire on the slide. He's put it out. Hop Hop, why don't you fix your flashing light to the fire engine? Oh! Where are the ants taking that third fire? To the anthill? The anthill is on fire too? The firefighter birds are going to answer another call. Hop, hop.
The fire is out.
Great work, little birds.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop, hop, the owl. Hello, Hop, hop. He's not answering. He's very busy.
Cuckoo!
Peck Peck and Hop Hop are playing blind man's bluff.
Aha! Oh!
They have to find each other with their eyes closed. That's not Peck Peck. Oh, be careful! He caught him. Now it's the woodpecker's turn to hunt. Hop Hop, say cuckoo.
Shh!
Are you going to give your friend a surprise? Peck Peck, that's not Hop Hop. Peck Peck has found his surprise. What's that, little birds?
A little car.
Can you hear? There's something else in the box, too. A controller.
And this isn't a car.
Hop Hop is right. It's not a car. And it's not a telephone either. You need the controller to control the little car. Press the buttons.
Forward. Backward.
Now it's Peck Peck's turn. It's working! The car is moving. Peck Peck thinks he can control the butterfly. And the snail, too? What? Isn't it working? Let's play with the car instead.
Forward. Backward.
The little owl has thought of a new game. He's putting a raspberry on the little car and delivering it to Peck Peck.
Nom, 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 nom.
And another raspberry. And another. And another? That's fast. Beep, beep. It looks like someone has eaten too much. Peck Peck doesn't want any more raspberries. Think of another game, little owl. Bricks? So then, birds, have you decided to play with bricks?
No.
Are you building a castle?
No.
No? Ah, those are the obstacles on the racetrack? The car needs to go around the towers made of bricks. Go! It's working! The car has driven around all the obstacles. Hooray! Something's wrong. The car won't move. What's happened?
Out of gas? Oh, broken!
Now then, birds, don't get upset. Toy cars don't need gas. It's got a drained battery. Just charge it up and it'll work again.
Idea!
Hop, Hop, where are you going? You found a bow made of ribbon? Isn't Peck Peck funny? He's put the bow on his head. And now he's put it on his tummy. Very pretty, but a ribbon. Hop Hop has tied the ribbon to the little car. Now it can move without needing batteries. Well done, Hop Hop. What a great idea.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hello, Hop Hop.
Hi!
Careful! A piece of the toy track fell out of the motorcycle. It's such a beautiful butterfly. Oh! Peck Peck caught it with his net. Are you going to let the butterfly go? Good job! This is a piece of the track. Hop Hop dropped it. Do you want to play? Do you want to make a slide? That won't work. For it to be a slide, we need to put this on something. Yes! A rock will do. Great! Peck Peck is too big for the slide, but something small can ride on it. A blackberry? Let's try. It worked! But you know, Peck Peck, real berries are not a toy. Oh, where did the blackberry go? Your sweet berry has been taken by an ant. It's carrying it to an anthill.
Let's go play! Let's go play!
Hop Hop calls Peck Peck over to help build a toy track. Let's go, birds! Let's unload the motorcycle. There are so many parts.
That's all!
Good job! Now you need to connect the parts properly to make a track for the cars. It's almost ready. We'll put a bridge in. Up. And a wheel. Where are you going, Hop Hop? Stop! Peck, this slide is too small for you. It's for toy cars. Look! Hop brought a cart full of toys. Let's find a car. Here it is.
3, 2, 1, go!
The car sped away and stopped.
Push it!
Peck did. Peck found a driver. A yellow rubber duck will drive the car. The birds love playing together. Should we play some more?
Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop the owl. It's morning. Hop is still sleeping. The mosquito is buzzing. It's disturbing Hop's sleep.
Ouch!
Don't be afraid, Hop. Peck is here. He scared the mosquito who wanted to bite you. Mosquito bites are not fun.
Mosquito!
Hop quietly creeps up on the mosquito. Whack! He flew away! The birdies are chasing the mosquito. Look! He flew out the window. The mosquito flew away. Whoops! Be careful, little owl. What is that? Is that your new toy? Peck, that's not a real mosquito. Stop! It's just a drawing on a toy. Peck is chasing a puck with a mosquito on it. Wow! A slide! And there are more pucks with insects drawn on them. Ant, butterfly, ladybug. Let's play. Jump. The puck with the ant rolls down. Now the butterfly. And the ladybug. That's a real ladybug. Wait, Peck Peck. She's a nice bug. Hop Hop, what are you up to? The toy ladybug is going down the slide. Shall we play again?
Butterfly! Ladybug! Mosquito! Ant!
Look, birdies, the mosquito is back. Catch him!
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. This is the house where Peck Peck the woodpecker lives. Hello, Peck Peck. Oh, the ball has bounced away. Splish splosh into the puddle. Peck Peck has gone in after the ball. He's got all muddy. And now another puddle. Can you see? Peck Peck has muddy stains on his tummy. Oh, look! And on his head, too.
Hi there.
Hi there, Hop Hop. Look how dirty Peck Peck is.
Uh-oh. Time to have a wash.
The little owl is filling the paddling pool with water so Peck Peck can have a wash.
Jump in.
Peck Peck likes having a wash.
Hey, hey.
Hop Hop is playing hide and seek with his friend. But what's this? What's in those bottles?
Soap.
Of course! To wash away the dirt, you need soap. Lots of soap. Look! What's that?
Foam.
More and more foam. Little cups. What do you need them for? The little owl is going to wash the woodpecker's wing. Hop Hop is using more and more soap on Peck Peck. More and more and more.
Like that.
And now he's washing off the foam with water from the cup. His wing is clean. Peck Peck is happy, but there's still some mud left.
Now for your head.
For some reason, the woodpecker doesn't want to wash his head. What a beautiful bottle! That's shampoo. You use it to wash your head. Hop Hop is taking some shampoo. And he's making a ball out of foam. Have a sniff and see how nice it smells. Nice, isn't it? Peck Peck is ready to wash his head.
Hey!
Rub, rub, rub. There's lots of foam on his head now. The woodpecker is washing his own head. It's so much fun. Peck Peck has got an orange hat made of foam on his head. But where has Hop Hop gone? Hop Hop! You've brought a watering can. You need to wash away the soapy foam off of his head. What's wrong? Are you scared? Wait a moment. Put on this visor, like a hat. Peck Peck looks like a little flower. No more water is going to get into his eyes, and now he really likes washing his head. You're all clean, Peck Peck. Now they can play with the foam. Hop Hop has made a big blue ball of foam. Goodbye, clean little birds.